And here's how to add author box in WordPress website. Go to add new plugin page and search here simple author box, and all you have to need, install and activate the simple author box plugin. Once the plugin successfully activated from your all plugins list, you have to find out simple author box and click on configure author box, and you directly jump into the plugin dashboard here, or you can access the plugin dashboard from appearance simple author box. We can see the author box preview. Under visibility, you can manually insert the simple author box, so just go ahead and copy the shortcode and add this shortcode in the specific widget or specific post or page where you want to add the author box. In my case, I'm going to turning off this option, so this will automatically apply the author box in my entire WordPress website. And here you can hide the author box if author description is empty. From here you can enable it, and hide the author box on archives, you can turn it on from here and go to elements, and here you can enable show author email, open social links in a new tab, go to appearance, and here you can adjust or customize these author box just like so, and go to author box tabs, and here you can adjust tabs, go to colors, and here author name color, you can go ahead and select a different color for author name just like so. You can add a border color, then go to typography. Here you can change font character for author description name, go to guest author. Here you can enable guest authors, go to advanced, and here you'll find bunch of different options. Okay, now I'm going to turning on manual insert and copying my shortcode. Let's save settings, and after that I'm going to my post section. Let's edit this post, and here I'm adding a new block, adding shortcode, adding the shortcode here, and now let's view this post. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my author box here. Now click on edit profile, and here you will directly jump into the user or author editing page. From here you can change author name, username, and here you will find a bunch of different social media sharing option. You can go ahead and add social media options here, and here you can add a description for the author. You can change author profile photo, and here under simple author box you can go ahead and edit everything. Click on update profile. Let's view our post again, and here we can see social media add date with author random or description here. So that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.